Mr. Duminder,
Oh, sorry. Tell.
have you got your lunch today? Lunch, not a dinner.
Yeah, I had a lunch today.
At what time?
About I have a lot of busy today. I have a lot of work and too late lunch, and about 3:30 I had lunch.
2:30.
Yeah.
Take
No,
a lunch
no. I
for
have.
healthy people.
We don't have no time. We always can take a lunch.
Busy.
Yeah. We hard work. The government side of 12 and 1 give the lunch time.
You can use it. You take a lunch for that time. It is better our health. Earlier you told us you didn't take dinner. Now the time is 10:15. I think you can't participate that class, no?
Yeah.
Nilmini, you are dinner okay?
Yeah, I did it. I take my dinner around 8 to 8. Today I take it early. I want to participate that lesson.
Yeah.
You usually go to work by bus, and your own way.
By bus. Sometimes with my husband, sometimes by bus.
What do you do your free time? And
sometimes I am reading books. Yeah, sometimes I am reading books. Sometimes I with my husband and mother's house.
Mother's house.
Where's your mother's house?
Not my mother, husband's house.
Husband's mother.
Yeah, mother is with me. My mother is with me. Yeah, my mother is my husband's in LPTA. It is very beautiful village.
Yeah. This area very popular cinema, no?
LPTA is Matara site.
Yeah,
Near to Pol.
Southern, and this area is very rural area, no? Very countryside.
LPTA is dangerous area.
Why?
That's a very popular cinema.
Yes, right. Yeah. Lot of checkpoints are there. But not people. It is STF people. Not that LPT people.
LPTA Kahavat area.
No. Kahavat is Ratnapura, no?
Ratnapura,
Kahavat and go to the Kalmadul. And Ability Road. Yeah.
Murders.
Yeah. This.
There are a lot of murders.
Yeah. Daughter and sister.
Daughter and
Mother. One family, 3 members killed, no?
Every day there are many dangerous things.
Murder cases.
Not heard from murder cases are there.
Yeah. They have very many gems.
Gems.
They are very popular. It's a very find very big gems.
Big gems. Yeah.